okofes kana
said kophobia omo gidie woni mu a betumi discuss mu dia but even insolvent no hwa no ma bi no ma keten bi ho a omo anye ni o hwa microfinance ni bi ho a ubi sanse ne board no omo yesai ayo no ne partner ibi ho kra board no ono owner no pe no ye board no ebe se na business na akoso captain enti enoma bebre wo ho asan nkofo wo ho ano omo nya ni yie a emwa ema ne nkoso bebre omoji sika no ma start bie other businesses nkofo sika waje a wode bebo obi besia na wenya hu nsi hu kakra na wetumi etua ni pakoro sika anytime obetumi abase me hia me sika betumi etua ni sika ma no na ode ekobie another business nti pure water ye ba bebre microfinance won bebre o hwe no asan ko bie business we ebinim ho na mo toka asakese de se ubehu se de bi nipa sika na maje say ye de ye nyina de beboa because micro do na kire say maji captain sika maji edukumi sika enti sechiwa ba so ohia lo na mereka krama
no kwa ne sika ho ba bi o
no de akoye adwuma
kana on person be kana to
no de akoye adwuma na
wetumi for bro be
me ye me ka me de ye
na me kuma say okay West Palm they're not talkers ma taxi man go for no oh bra o de hu sem de nka ne be ye nyina o be ka
West Palm by medikin bi be ba studio be tiam na mse okay yen ko talker na ma ye ko so da bi ka ne ye tua na fu ye de ka na be ma na wo ye adwuma
na wutia
I'm sure elder dikin the idea say me want to so da bi say ye betua de na fa to ase mama na so kesika na say me fa some de betama ya na watua o mo bo ka no but that time na 15,000 Ghana cedis
yeah me kai fa
nim kuta 10,000 na de 10,000 na ma go for yi no mo je ntaka 5,000 5,000 Ghana cedis padi ya twika ya 2 years on twin wi da kro me o hosa de afre me koya ya say a cheka no I don't ya cheka no ya say sika no ntimi ntua then besides the sales no you know far documents in am nam cement as that time na COP Edu Poku na ya Ashanti Regional Police Commander I'm calling Chanam Sopeni me pese me dem ade no be ko obi office ma me di Camber police station hands asem ni or from you see and the sokromo dum and the sokromo twe and the brofaka
say interest where that so
enya no na here you twa ka na kawie mumfa ya de amaye ne ka captain see e wunto dem say nya mintra en hyehyɛ na adi faka na ma dikin no faka na nko ye calculation kwa say padi no we twa ma na
abroso kra ma say o mo rewe o ba nen go for yi intino sa ekoyi a ona mo ho captain say na misika no Bank of Ghana o so wokaya first no na nka omo ye na Ghana Police and na corporate society na no mo hwe so anaja omo sesa mra no na ye said omo so mra emeshe Bank of Ghana ase entina ma Bank of Ghana T department dia na ye friend of the microfinance institutions no that is the non financial services department omo teye eku omo teye na omo hwe enkofu yi so na say enuma bebre for many years no ebinum so beka say monitoring no so from BOG side no that is central bank no and also na emu nya den papa eninti no so boaye man kufo from hu dia but ebinum beka say see omo fra bi the new Bank of Ghana enti no omo no de omo hwe say corporate governance structure usikasem no nyoma be see ano omo minimum capital no 1 million. Enti no it has to be physical cash and yet proof of capital we say you have a year any way and I'm so what to computers near there we didn't need ka ho na ekosi 1 million no say an omoja is ade no proof of capital no which is
physical cash
1 million apart from computers no cars no no what to turn no so mu and then the minimum capital na so you who say
it's a government we know here
unim say why more Bank of Ghana pay Embrebi and all the few more they call World Bank, the IMF, no man sana. But don't forget say a president no and to me or the appointed governors.
Let me say papa no over here.
Tinenu de ukasa over here because
watch out
Captain Adeba Kweso who say in fact World Bank and the IMF somewhere I think 2014, 2015. Stress test. Maybe a friend like almost tested your banking system.
I want to be 2013. 2013. August.
So reports near the nearby. The then governors on Wampa. Some common boy you sue reports in the year.
Dr. Wamba.
And think I don't know. What did they make? Can I say?
The time that $600 million here, I bet in the yen who bank or I bet in
Captain, they make can I say? Yes, says because and run once out the idea backlist for
final 4 million,
4.5, almost 4.6, almost 4. Because 4.57 something into almost 4.6 for somewhere breachy and bra. It's $1
now Bambia, now
Bambia, yes, Bank of Ghana, Wamra, a government Sanyo Mano, a two breach here into institution number, yes, big sure say, Omonia ding, Omonia da hot to send Omoya the Sana. Your financial system, no, at least you know, the Scacoto Bank, a bit me had that.
Yes, BB day, young corner Marco. Yes, say, Yachimumi and so, you categorize or no. Yes, BB the insolvent. For no ho and more insolvent and seized operations.
Yeah.
Ye bakwiso kan ho. Ye wu. Tafo de no.
Ye wu we dey tafo na so so.
It is say ye nyesika ye nyande ye fan kwan.
Oh, but then so almost publish over 130 over 150 of them as you see in good standing. And you know they here na say oko my Adom online, my Joy online, oko sa website here ube hu say list ni nyina wo ho ube hu they are good standing, they are only good standing. No one who say okay aha de ubetumi de usika ko the ekoso nyina eboa ema ye make sure say ye financial system no ye sika sem hu bebi a odu usika beto bebi obetumi de usika ko ni nyina no ebedi mu or how be any to be embem enti say my Bank of Ghana no kwan no to me yes and no me because some free here community and rural banks for no so and some of savings and loans for no so free no afi finance houses for no so enti it's all part of the cleanup exercise e koso a ye ka say ye make sure say nyina no ye clear mo system ni mu
but papa we ye man protection papa Bank of Ghana governor we ye man protection papa
nani ading
nani ading yambo no ho ban yie pa yambo no ho ban yie ebe ye kra na dwa ye kra ye ma soja fo mienu nyina ho dwa no kra mo so gyina ho what dey mo what shall say za no what would you Nigeria clean up no what would you turn no on in the committee no what would you turn wo papa we yambo no the bathroom cry for soja fo tu nyina ho fully armed because bobo companies be my
say about list na yemfa insolvent and seized operations omo no just so yatum company no ye obekọ ne omo ni ho baby ya say 72 Hours Microfinance Company Limited, Abyss Plus Microfinance Limited, Adwempa African Trust Microfinance, AG Microfinance, AGT, who baby to say Better Life Microfinance, me to because Edoson. In fact, omo seize operations no,
solvent and seize
operations no, omo number nankasa total near 155 of them.
CFI
and you know Western Allied Microfinance, or Unicorn Happy Investment Microfinance, or Turning Point, or Trans Microfinance, Tipping is there, TBS Microfinance, Sweet Jesus Microfinance, Star Wealth Microfinance,
Sweet Jesus,
yeah, Sweet Jesus,
Sweet Jesus, I love you.
And what for you na? Boafo na mu na mu abu.
Yes, mu.
And Shalom Microfinance, Shine Credit, say Addisam, or Royal Future, or Quick One Microfinance, or Purple Microfinance, Prudence, Profit Point, Price Capital, Premier, Platinum, Panaman, and then Oye Microfinance, Obobia, Oba Tampa, Noble Dream.
But you know, say
Obobia.
Microfinance.
And then
I know where he.
In trouble be but what kind of Noble Dream?
I can't just say, "Be what Kumasi." I
Noble Dream.
Noble Dream.
The Noble Dream. The omane a phone in the bio. Just a mutus.
What say Noble Dream? So nam sika.
Send them be away.
That was the time I me ultimate radio no. Because no we admit kura we ho. Kwa ne ba bedwa de num dwa de num dwa.
Omo colors na afi
o blue ne
and one on the dam.
Ya ji twi
obie branches so Kumasi pa. Na ne offices no so they would draw we draw.
Dem so hu se ho agono. Ho agono peche no va mu nyina.
And on fa padis pa na do counter wa. When you can say
just say omo dressing kura no do omo ne bank for no.
No kwan ye fa so that.
Who can't have Kumasi? I am for
that. Mr. Noble Dream, me bomb. Omo ne ye more ultimate phone. You know, just say
almost radio stations. I will Kumasi on power.
Just say.
Oh,
simple trick.
Na tama jigu mu no ho. Kwa himfie bia o hwe na bia o.
Na ho
na nada. Then ya miura na na we.
Mada.
Ba na de ya ne se woni aguo. Woni a omu hinhim. Ni nyina wo adomonline.com. myjoyonline.com.
Okay.
Tie free na ekoi. Sa ho sa kwadimu a.
And then
na wa na.
Aya na nye o.
Ghana.
Ghana. Free na ekoi.
Oh. Se chuame ha ho na sambra mikase obi sun boto de ko. Yanti kroma na Securities and Exchange Commission ebeka kire say number 1 company Men's Good. Emo bia ne nye business na essence be bi ogina no nyina yie. Obeka e smart reporters so mon rounds. Ema customers kro ya ene wo musu say central phone ka bi mo o na mampanyini emo o mo say de be o mo sika no mo sabe no customers kro ya beka say ya na ngoma mo na mo ye. Ena
mo pen for no cry am de o mo saka ka.
Oh na say your reporters ye so mo free akra no. Enya wade na ye adoma nkom de o mo saka ka o mo. Wo ho inti Ghana no ye twenya ma asem na si near the Segu yeti near so twadwadwo we are de ato adom online ye de ato my dware online obi nkonkohwe de akan sam obi ti baby kura di atem say no ne wanya ni sika compound wanya ni botai baby ado bebo de fa ho be na semba afeni e say friends and trophy
I make sure obi aye calculations and na what kind 155 microfinance companies na eguno said they had 155 managers. They had say we are 2 tellers not just say 300 and something tellers. Enti or calculating na wa calculating nipa bia ka ho ene napco adwumayefo ayentu o moka ka ho say aban yi ba yi wama unemployment rate akosro so wo ya adwen
a cheap calculation and cheap politics
we
kokro na nyamia ya drum ama aba papa bi eyi wo moto se de be obi sika nkodi mu no na obi aye no ode nam no ode senkrofo adwen enti aye say no bo se obi owo party bi mu no na adwen ye ne say move we de enye enti na ode ye politics obi di sa de ba be politics bi asinabo but the
actual mefa we so
about the ends nemo ye betua okay say same way wo money ke wo wane apia so wa ho ya de ewu double ke wo o ma me de say o papa de say go
and ye first say receiver na ya appointing for microfinance no wo fa nipa ma me kan sa wa ma ya ti ase say workers are no mo ye adwuma wo microfinance institution we mu no because in terms of monitoring and even making sure so metia among fosika mo no PwC to PricewaterhouseCoopers going to mean yes adwuma no and for now no they've asked all these workers to stay on and use them use adding ebetuatua nkofosika mo but baby a wo bia no ese wo paper bi a kire say ampa usika say and microfinance A and a microfinance B. Enti no say Noble Dream ebia me ko check na me say ka me paper no na me hu say ebia na me sika be say 5,000 na wo ha me de kwa na eja o ma hwe omo check omo machines ni mu ana so mo hwe omo list ni mu omo system na me din wo ho ampa me 5,000 wo ha ombetu ama me
omahwe na 5 within him the others ayoka
so opening Collins Sampon Summons Association of Microfinance for President. Ejamensa auto in Kaya Mo channel paper do 106.3.
Yeah,
na bibia e boko de.
Ya me adom ye nyina ye ho ye.
Ya wo sa Bank of Ghana ni abre microfinance institutions na so. Wo na ye penipa wo tua wono ma no. Wo hu hyehyɛ ne sɛ ne de e kodo.
Yo, madam ase na me tie fo nso. Nhyehyɛ ne de e ya de a ye nyina ye ne Bank of Ghana na ye ho adwuma by 2 years ago. Na ya ba Fiamra omoye so mo increase minimum capital no and ye no ma di won sa wo so ba be si efiada ye twa mu ya exercise no e course so ye no as an association no de anya ye de no ye e kwan a execution no esi call ye and you know we are for the process ye nim se na beba Nemum at the kind and a pair fast so at the buyer no and na any eligible kakra. But your funny say, ye na ama or minor near my ye na financial assistance no so no yet me streamline yeah, it's good for all of us.
Pacho, now kase kwanye fast so buyer no say bantem do eba putupru and I say ba sesing.
A man an intem do nintam crowd ye they can say a chair. It sounds from January and governor shall see about the rules say ye be cleaning microfinance, ye be cleaning so and ye be no in May. So 5 month period in Ankasakra create a lot of panic in the system. A ma institutions need to cry not from January no more one started so munya liquidity challenges. If you had office, ye were Juma, the Obi Wanse police need to Kutano, Bank of Ghana staff, PWC staff, Yaba, hand you over Bibia Mayan, yes, say, Yambeji Jumano, may I can't staff in na SC, Abonting, no Biako. Yes, sir, fair Dwada, Osaka staff, no Juma. Once I won Yanni Panina. Into no yana yen per se as an association in the Bank of Ghana, this answer was no. And can list a little bit of details. Now yet means what they are doing say, ye say, ya, a bebwa. Say, as a forms are POD forms a core abonting, ma depositors a yeno. Microfinance institutions in yet is a banker, or more depositors ye kakra no. Sir 347 ye can't or more clients boomer. About 100,000. In 2 case, all the 10 days, ebe administer wing, now when you be a ID, when you be a so be complete ya. And to me, Cosa, into yan, or money agents, I am away now. Kayin never between the agent boom, na ya strategy bianca bebois. Nama depositors, you crown code bucho, institution, no. Or fill a form and now no, but education be a bebois with the process.
Education and anka yanyama customers na say yanyama owners no.
Nanka me fo say ni ye moa ka yanyama owners no.
But owners na wo ka kire en say be yemfie mienu ni na Money Bank of Ghana share dwumedi ase. Nti every owner bia na ya we say enema say na ekwaso say na Bank of Ghana be nti na ka education ben biom.
But the details of the process no say step 1 you be taking over the institution na ya the staff bia ba be ba be adwuma ho mo depositors no was say more completely form be verify more deposits are ho be here this form of ID or may see na ye who say okay process no say na be kono ye time no kra na amode be ye no process the say na be kono na ye nim say okay so your clients no will have to know this information. We can start educating them and to let them know say okay if you are from this day adwuma we enya ye diabium Bank of Ghana ebeje license yeah ma usika nkem ye betua usika e the amount that is the assurance men the go yeso your office yeah the forms beba ye ready now are complete ube here ID card ube here we yɛn ready date ni du a banka na ɔba hɔ no de saa nneɛma bɛba na wayɛ woyɛ wie a ebi a within 30 days wopɛ sɛ on account sika through mobile money ana bank ana say counter on sabeka na yɛayɛ saa de no yɛyɛ wie a Ninjin send for the I am share and not say Mr. Sir, some of the institutions, officers yeah, sortie or more. I thought we couldn't have gotten to that.
But Mr. Mensa, and fear me no I will come once me. Bank of Ghana Mamushia Mundis one, what some of the Amunye.
With the microfinance Jumano, the yeah, well, minimum capital. Bank of Ghana 2 years ago, and almost say institution they are increasing the minimum capital to 2 million. I'm my deadline. I think say June last year, and a deadline a more. And you call home I say raising 2 million in Ghana no say no, and not from. And you know. 2 million no enya dia institutions ni na ebetumi raising enti se be ya dia yen categorizing institutions no omo 100 to be a 500 mo betumi aye be a one branch pe o 500 to be a 1 million na obetumi aye two branches o 1 million to 2 million na obetumi our regions na because enya institution bi akra me be here 2 million depending on the area or and only the major identity for the revocation, no, because that is what the law says. The institution minimum capital now they can't be in operation. Operational benchmarks are the measure and what the institution the agency, almost solvency, almost capital adequacy ratio, almost all other things at the count. So almost who say a beer. Benchmark na rate now esa wo wonni hɔ a ɔmotumi fa so edigi line thing and until American say as an association no we are for the process and run say wonni minimum capital a mema ye ma wonni adwuma tini kwan see boom run so so benchmarks no untumi meet solvency ratio ne others na untumi enye adwuma no nti actually nyina say right. That the year can say, Senka, ye tutu san your money in every year, you mean say, clean up Ebeban. We could have gone further to let the institution know, say, okay, so you have a revocation. That this is the process that the whole thing will go through. But
I remember, sir, about a week or two ago, Bank of Ghana Shiamo. Is that correct?
Yes, Kushia Bank of Ghana, yes.
Mushia Womono, so Mobomo Coco, and Fancy Shewa, Omodiama Muse Mundi so, say, any quantity microfinance, so where be one cryer. The same microfinance, no, or branch or Eastern region, or branch or Ashanti region, or branch or Western region. Send us with Yamon Sheno.
But 2 weeks ago, Kushia, no. And I don't you could discuss it. But
my patch says, and no, it's Yam Shishaya, and a 2 year de Mamono.
Yes, it's just a share. As an association, no, you need problem there with the revocation. We back it. We back it 100%. And Bank of Ghana say we back it because near money the draw why you knew on a year. You knew on a year, so you need training now. You need on a year. Yeah, can say a do implementation, no, or more. And consult you, you free mo. And
I said, when we hear some consulting.
Oh, offer. Assembly ye cano. Oh, so Busa said job losses near Assembly. Ye idea, ye na me a person ye be. Niya no ekwanya ebeboa obia
Majo medase ayana mo hwe job losses na say bia edi per 1000 adwuma besay but ayana mo consider eni per millions ayen yesika bedi mu ho a mo yesika no troka
offer sometimes no the line of question no yana a problem kakra okase omaye sikane toka obekom no enya obia ye revoke ne license and why you be a tikatoka. But a human institution, Ubenya or more, or more dink of Fosika, ye but who can in album now was you say 347 million now be a tikatoka problematic.
Debina say Sika Sound on Shisha, no, Jemini say Bank of Ghana say Bank of Ghana Mamun Shisha say Mundiso. And she share na the amount was Sika Samun to Yemun when this one will license and Yabetron. Sir, 1 more year, I didn't know Bejo be licensed.
And make us say, Ubenya institutional or yes, solvent. And so, you're a license because when you raise the minimum capital, but we need liquidity challenge. The client would meet your mocha. Wire application to Bank of Ghana say when your capital need be register mano. Bank of Ghana for entry responding to Nipano request now or the call, and so you are close to know.
But sir, Banisa, any Nipano capital adequacy, no suspect. There be say Bank of Ghana say raise your capital to this level, to this amount. Why then I quite answer what you have to be so raise to this amount? And a while bomb money, I said, Drew, baby, no more catcher almost say, Obi or Wa, Sikana Ocean obey. Maybe 100 million, 200 million, 300 million. Sankrofono, young categorize woman and Casabia, Ubenya, one branch, and I just had our catcher me.
Exactly.
And now, Science Shana the Koyano, Sanka Bank of Ghana G to more 1 Jan to Kawu Pesa, we no, Moyano, sir.
There be someone who won't mean any just a Bank of Ghana ma approval. A petitioner association is send the call, a former governor, and I expect a response from the governor. Say, okay, that proposal, yeah, Modi Abe, you bet me I any say, you bet me I any say, yen to me any say, and I yen say. That response, no, amma, and as an association on our own, no. Yen to me can't say members to say yeah categorize them into this because that would not be what the law says. And it wasn't within our mandate. Then you to me say you bet me this Jumano. This a Bank of Ghana accepted. Na Bank of Ghana yen is my. Okay, many financial person. But a toda both financial institution where Bank of Ghana say on raise this capital, minimum capital, on raise way. One more no moon to me, Osha banks are BCC here. Boom, enya the needed capital na Bank of Ghana Esheno. I then do sa point no more nim dia wo no mo ntimi anya ne sa. Sir, advice no ye propose ma ye members no. Ecofa consultant na obua ebinomo omoye ready and willing to merge and ye share acquisitions and so omo so montumi nye adwuma ni bioma omo bema omo adwuma omo bema obi abeje adwuma no aye. So all those things were in process. Our Bank of Ghana ya aware aye ma omo hu say institutions maybe in the stages of discussion to do merger. But you want to say, about microfinance, the difficulty is this. If you are a company, they are 3 wokumase. If you are omoka omahuodi ina krabomwa, omahuodi no ombetumi akabom. If you are so capital na, was say omo raise no. This omunya additional capital at the kahun. Enti no mergers no enya de bia wo kan na watumi aye it take time.
Okay, but Mr. Mensa wo kan say okay edru ba bi no kra no mo proposes ano ebi no mantie ebi no mandidi mo kan no so anamboa
no kwe
enti say wo na wo ye o president now we memfan say we are the liaison officer between the microfinance institutions and the Bank of Ghana. Una Bank of Ghana here o mo befre wo no wo di adwen papa enti say aba mo mantie Bank of Ghana anya dey.
Oh, enye ni tia omantie na me kan say na we num ni nyina no part of the petitioner. Yeah, they come out Bank of Ghana. Actually, enka omo accept ya. Enka they could lead the process to help and work with these institutions to do that.
No, but you did not wait for the Bank of Ghana to either accept or otherwise of your petition. And I'm appointing a consultant to lead the front.
Consultant the Bank of Ghana start discussion. And I can say we've had series of discussions and proposals with this whole process. And on ended up in the petition and a proposal
Okay.
Before we send that proposal, we had met with the governor and we had submitted our petition to him in work. And he recommended, say, a document, submit it as an official proposal. Dumping a submitted on behalf of the institution. If you would this petition, you sit back and wait for response. That's what we are saying.
Okay, would you accept to say? Would you accept? Okay, would you accept to say? Mo members no na binu aso den say mfie mienu a.
Say enye asodin a we would have gotten to where we are today. And no there, baby amijine bia no meka and adwuma no dia akoye ne say obi asodin and na wo nya asodin po and na okoka ba account. The company being tearful to and now or start to say onya problem and now within 200-meter radius within that space Nejuma bebu so the to yegu the ma ekobasa ne say sabi me koji obi sika me fan koto bank e sense obi so nya say o de beje me say bosia ti me dia mani panen so say bosia. Say obi kofa problem back here na me client na to be me so ne so muji o musika no ebi an obi hot to sebusia this say kano ene enfam re no e ba smeduma no aba form sa suban no ni abrabo no ena edi nyina yenya 2011 up to today. And I will say as an association we can only advise our members. We don't have any legal aid to sanction our members.
Okay.
You need self-regulatory authority. Going forward, you know, and no, so yeah, maybe I force I was a Bank of Ghana, now all my associations know some level of self-regulation. Said ya member be one mother to me at China. Empire the Blue Bank of Ghana for.
All right, I just say I'm ready to. Mami Fawusia, yenjina so de na so ne fancy ane. That's papa. Openi calling Samponsa Mensa. President of Association of Microfinance. Osimo so de ntra madru baby omodu.
Yem ready to na okwana. Debio say no ma motivation.
Asem na de aduru no. De openi na agene nsem.
Openi no to obu anke say wadane motivational speaker.
Agene nsem.
Say o tu fufa asonde ho. It's nice. Yo, motivation. Say what do we seek SCA our bank in Kitwanu BMA call adrumonline.com and online.com. So shana oho ya kemua. Now if wash Bank of Ghana for chili coin, now what who share or dear go come say will submit me I can with and yet who are ya pass I break or BBP aba.
BBP what you call says here?
BBP.
Could you team no me bow? Na opinion cars if you know yes I be near there say but you be so into about one coin the need to minka. And China trimus are into minka.
Immunity na cry to minka. And quite the man and yet I can say, but you agree and I say, near the Asema Sampayeti, I asked what then the wing in Abba. But Penina can say, to the inquiry. Bank of Ghana or Maya, the media may say Papa de Senno. Yemano, the security is almost 5. Yem fat 10 in count, no money 15. I didn't hear Biana, I do money. There was a latter, ye. Why a lot of high Ghana? Banisika, some men find you maybe San Diego. Quadria can ye king. You and penny for my a man, a pro ya bedrews up and pen so bit in the few. O tofu,
ehwe nkwan etenam yenye ne hwe etietimi abeja asemu amanaka amamfo sika kwakam amamfo ani brabro mu koma samre obi tontwe apia obi ton ayi friend say brokina obi gina traffic mu epam no odne sika kwakoto baabi na mame nka miei na obi aye sika na troka yewia yesi na adwuma na gu na den na asem de na asem
yes aban de sika be kwakoshe
eti obi asore a wo akobie microfinance wo akobie hwan na se de o kan yenso akobie bi ye diska no ya na aban diska ba bi chi
wonim de ekoso sesei Bank of Ghana tell me kasa papa we ye mo no ho bai no owia $600 million no be hwehwem sika na yira fi Bank of Ghana account $600 million Dr. Wampa kosro ba for hwehwe ya wa hu
sika so ni 990
$600 million ayira microfinance say ya to me is close to 1 trillion Erisika and Crawford Ayo Musika Kushema Omalusi 900 million pen a Bank of Ghana so between a committee. But all the young quality for home no Musika Kwasheho. Musa may listen now, say may host to.
Just say,
maybe a first caller.
Yes, I'm young Kabi. Yes, I'm young Kabi. As what yes, I'm young Kabi. To the Matthew for Nanko Massam.
So,
yes, I'm young Kabi.
Okay, and then yes, Papa Nasam, many way. Papa Nasam, and you were and Kademanu. Yes, yeah, candy, yes, yet here. 732165661 216562. Nah, so we do Zika weekend we have a Kumasi, I tell you. Send it to Captain Menonako. Jessica. Hello, good morning.
Captain Smart. Good morning.
I'm Patrol, you too.
Obama,
yo.
Captain, me a victim way back 2014, 2015. Job is microfinance, about Sumbi Opeti. All of a sudden, we pay now. Captain, I feel Michigan United. I cut. If you ever say, yes, Edwabia. Gentlemen, for the account, Yabesre, Majors now, Bank of Ghana, Edibukema, or regularity, women, Yabesre, I have for because there's no way say, obey illegal lines or the operating microfinance. I bet baby, Obeyana movie now or the Canadiana, Simon and so far. Minia, I'm a couple of Minia, Kwame Edward, ordinary baby and then.
And I say, hello morning. Oh, here me Josu Nyado.
Exo microfinance na savings in Luana. Hello?
There's a difference. As with savings and loans for the microfinance for you.
Yeah, savings and loan for no more because Milan for you see a party that whole.
Then Pacho Andrew.
Okay.
And for Biana and continue patenting. Yes, no, Paco for 2 now here. I
didn't need the Andrew. Now, so Sabe, so back I'm here, the Sao when
community and rural banks. No, say, and on a SaaS system, no, Senomusi, no, community, most of them, no, Omunina can and they are set it.
That's right. I'm in Fakola. We have about hello morning.
Morning, Captain Smart.
I was coming to you.
From Mr. Saddam,
Medasi.
I Pacho, Captain, yes, I like the Kawana. As I hear you said,
oh, okay. Okay. My funny powerful. Hello.
Hello, Captain. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
I'm Patrick to say. Okay, Dr. Newman, now, Captain, I didn't start this now. Okay, customers no more say you don't find about eh. Because we can't want to have the same thing that customers back on here. Man, oh, what is that? You need money and oh, a banner will say be a walk on a hot row. It's your 2 4 hours here. I didn't tell you my loan, more than capital. Our bank here, which we do bank on she. So we see a quote we say no one with you stick up with you. And our mount to scat one or much more compared to my form media, phenomenal money be able to sharp answer. And a ban any my also first one would do first 9 Yamano. Once sub answer of that no media and fason be. Oh, Tigana for me to for Debia, a buy a check. Your boy was trying to say, and it was a process. Captain Darcy will be to him.
That's it. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Pacho Mamintio.
Your family Linda, Mikasa Freya Becca.
Linda Medase.
Captain CIG Microfinance. Almost problem, Sati and a crowd. There 4 years ago, Namenim, Omo East Legon. Ni chakwain de bia ama me wo ye me de me bucket ti chakwain ko de bia so peswa kra menya enti aban ne mboa ye why omboa ye fa me da se
yem phobia biom Novan
yeah and na me ka say Bank of Ghana for normal say almost free microfinance almost community and rural banks but no the almost share style almost no be different kakra because I say community and rural banks almost establishment was done in such a way say community members are all shareholders of these banks. We are and to say their microfinance you can deal with the person the way it is. If they feel it's insolvent, but say to meet the minimum capital requirement, fit and proper test, corporate governance, we are some way, making sure some savings and loans for no so because omuguso kasa dinkomo enti wonim say wo savings and loans na Bank of Ghana ma bibi say we ye we here ska bi say wo di shame say wo show corporate governance structure wo board ne management ne bi say we ya emra so say wutumi yes anwome wo hwe na wuntumi nyenso na eja wa ma won saso na eja say wutu ankofo sika ma omo a wutu omo sika ma omo then you move on na ayesa na nyoma we nyina say na misika no SCM will be at say microfinance no enti Bank of Ghana ka say wa we say we sika that baby no you must have a proof so what documents because one say enkofo we no mo ba omo pass bia oji usika na wa choro wo no the amount enti no so long as unim say usika da ho no me kohwehwe me noble dream de no me kohwehwe na metumi de akokumase akojimi sika because eska na do so samre no captain 700 Ghana na esika samre no na esika mu no na mu do sense value no na mu
ade na you poaching fee na
me ko chesi na bu dream for na ko say be ka misika me 700 Ghana me ko je ma de
na obi bisa say microfinance the savings and loans so say woman na
eso wo because on say microphone na senior omo establish omo no na omo financial intermediary so omo boa the pro poor and mo to table tops in market women for boja very good boja me here 200 me here loan 300 loan 500 I raise 1000 near there ade me ya wo mu ne say edu baby no na afa microfinance for a jump doing omo ye nyoma savings and loans in even commercial banks for year to the extent say omo interest rate crown no kosoro. Can you imagine say interest rate of 5% per month using the straight line method our accounting mu ye can let us say every month be out to 5% on the principal that they have given you no what
kabotene no the amount
into so share at the end of the year now you are looking at if it's 5% 60% in a year per annum which was even higher than they are not commercial bank for
main banks.
It's baby no money import and export for the year juma because sanko for no so more smart. The omo hu ye say metumi aju sika 1 month na metu ane back 5% is better for me. So those kind of businesses turning it around quickly and then paying you. But not me mame any me wafa bia ote Elmina no oji 200 but 200 don't mean to ya ni nyina in 1 month and not 2 months na ya man 6 months and na ya man 1 year so untu ya no at the end of the day e prano
enti ya fan say kwadwe dabi say ya fan say makwaje besia metua na mentua ne ne enkomra
your friend Mrs. Cecilia